Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to add a new friend from contact list in Alipay. The first step you need to do is open your Alipay app. Once you open your Alipay app, you're going to click right here in this option called message. Right here in this option you can see all your notification and here and other things, okay? The first step or the second step you need to follow is click this button right here, this plus icon, and then you're going to click this option, this second option called add contacts. Okay, you're going to click right here, and then in this in this area you can click this and find your contact in your mobile list. Okay, it's really easy. You can type your his mobile number or his an email, okay, and then well the only thing you need to do after this is add your friend, okay, clicking this button right here. It's really easy to do. It's really easy to follow. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.